Crypto Anup alts. Let's go everyone. As you can see guys, today we are going to talk about some interesting scenarios that are being flashed, looking at the price action of Ethereum, looking at the price action of XRP, and even the price action of Litecoin. But before I do that, I just want you guys to quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much. Now if you look at the price action of Ethereum here in a weekly time frame, we can see very clearly guys, this bullish continuation pattern from Livermore speculative chart has unfortunately failed, and price has started to form lower highs, lower lows. I mean, after losing the support from this lower trend line, from this accumulation cylinder with widening mount around 0.7, the price of Ethereum has started to form lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern type of formation. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that since the bullish scenario has failed, we have to be careful, because parallelly in a weekly time frame, we are also forming another bearish continuation pattern known as rising wedge. Yes guys, this rising wedge upper trend line rejected the price a couple of times, and this exact lower trend line from this rising wedge acted as a strong line of support. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that if the price of Ethereum is going to show another continuation to the downside, then please be careful, because the price objective from this rising wedge could easily bring us around $1,000 to $1,200. Yes guys, this horizontal trend line will be looked as our upcoming target if the price of Ethereum fails to regain its trend above 1,800, 1,900, because we know parallelly the price of Ethereum in a weekly time frame is also forming another bearish continuation pattern known as descending triangle. Yes guys, this descending triangle lower trend line has also been broken, right? Now if this bearish continuation is going to play out, the price objective from this descending triangle is also somewhere around 1,000 to 1,200 range. So that is another reason why we have to be careful, because the price for the coming days could get attracted towards this key line of support, key line, before choosing a trend duration. Yes guys, these are some bearish scenario which can be seen if you look at the price action of Ethereum here in a weekly time frame. But if you look at the price action of Ethereum in a daily time frame, another bearish symmetrical triangle is being flashed. Yes guys, this is a bearish symmetrical triangle because we have lost a support. The upper trend line was acting as a line of resistance, lower trend line was acting as a line of support. So since we have already lost the support from this symmetrical triangle lower trend line, we have to be careful, because the price in our case could be getting attracted towards this red line. Yes, this red line is going to be looked as our upcoming price target for Ethereum if we fail to regain our strength above 1,800 to 1,900 range. Because if the price continues this downtrend, then you can see this lower trend line, which previously acted as a support, might be attracting the price. So if you flip that into daily time frame, this lower trend line will be looked as our upcoming target in a daily time frame. Now beside Ethereum, let's also quickly look at XRP, because if you have followed my previous analysis, then this is exactly what I showed you. I mean, price of XRP after breaking the resistance which we had around 54-55 cents could show another bullish continuation, and in that case this horizontal trend line will be looked as our upcoming price objective. And this is exactly where we came, and this is exactly where the price got rejected. And now if we look at this XRP in a weekly time frame, we are below the resistance line. This line which previously acted as a resistance was supposed to hold the price. We failed, and now we are going to test the support from this lower trend line. And if we look at this exact scenario in a bit different way, you can see guys, this lower trend line for now is considered as a line of support, or also the line where we could be getting attracted again around 44-45 cents. But if we simply add another rising trend line here to the upside, this is going to be looked as a continuation pattern where we have failed to find support above the previous high, and this will be looked as a bearish continuation pattern. I mean, if the price of XRP fails to regain its trend above 60 cents, then I think the upcoming days could be bearish and we could be getting attracted towards this lower trend line before deciding the trend duration. So this is what I see looking at the price action of XRP in a weekly time frame. But if we look at this scenario in a daily time frame, nothing much has changed. I mean, the price of XRP is still following this rising trend line, this green line, which previously acted as a strong line of support. This is exactly where we came. This is exactly where the price found support. So in the medium short term, if we lose the support which we have above 50 cents, then this horizontal trend line is the line where we could be getting attracted, and again between 40 cents to 45 cents will be looked as our upcoming price target for XRP. But if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean, if you look at the price action of XRP using this stand Weinstein idle buy for investor scenario, you can see we are below this horizontal trend line, but we are still above this 30-week moving average. Yes, guys, the price of XRP is still holding the support from this 30-week moving average. So if we do break below 50 cents, then we have to monitor the price movement carefully, because after that, the price of XRP could show another 15 to 16% retracement for the coming days. Yes, guys, if we lose the support from this rising trend line, this green line, right? If we lose the support from this 30-week moving average, then 40 cents to 45 cents will be looked as our upcoming price objective. Now, beside XRP, beside Ethereum, I also want to quickly look into Litecoin, because if you look at the price action of Litecoin in a weekly time frame, we have lost some key line of support which was supposed to hold the price in between $75 to $80. We lost that support and started showing another continuation here to the downside. And now if we look at the price action of Litecoin, you can see we are exactly at the previous temporary line of resistance and support. Yes, guys, this horizontal trend line around $60 to $55 actually acted as a line of resistance and also as a line of support. So this is exactly where we are holding right now. So if we lose this key line of support, then you can see, guys, the price of Litecoin could be also breaking out from another important line of support, which is holding the price in a daily time frame. I mean, this megaphone pattern, this broadening wedge pattern is also indicating us the upper line in the past price action acted as a line of resistance, lower line acted as a line of support. So if the price of Litecoin in a daily time frame holds the support above $60, then everything is fine. But if we lose the support from this $60, then we will be also losing the support from this megaphone pattern, broadening wedge, and even the support from this horizontal trend line and the rising trend line. And in that case, we could be coming back to us $45 to $40 as our price objective, and this is the worst case target in my opinion. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope the price of Litecoin remains above $60. Let's hope the price of XRP remains above 50 cents, and even the price of Ethereum comes back above 1,800, 1,900 range. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Ethereum, looking at the price action of XRP, and even the price action of Litecoin. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, please destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.